Are you searching for the best nail gun? In this video, we will look at the 5 best nail guns, which save you time and money. Number 1. ONEVAN F30G Electric Nail Gun, DeWalt Roofing Nail Gun. Compatibility with Makita 18V battery, seamlessly integrates with Makita 18V batteries, ensuring reliable power for your woodworking projects. Versatile framing and stapling, dual functionality as a nail gun and stapler, ideal for framing and furniture assembly tasks. Automatic operation. Features an automatic staple gun mechanism, streamlining your work with ease and precision. Durable construction, crafted for longevity. The ONEVAN F30G withstands the rigors of professional woodworking, lightweight and portable. Designed for comfort, this nail gun is lightweight and portable, making it a go-to tool for on-site work.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. Meterk Cordless Electric Nail Gun. This nailing machine is easy to use and supports both straight nails and in-shape nails, improving the flexibility of the use of the machine and improving work efficiency. High-power copper wire motor with surging power and strong penetration, fast continuous nailing, and long motor lifespan. High-strength alloy nozzle and nail cartridge, spring snap positioning, installation/fixing/nailing one machine control, improve operating efficiency. Suitable for home decoration, water pipe installation, woodworking, cabinet renovation, ceiling fixing, frame building, and so on.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. ONEVAN Brushless Electric Nail Gun 2 Gears. Features. The magazine is made of hard oxidized and surface heat-treated parts for durability and long working life. Aerodynamic layout design, more powerful. Handle design is more user-friendly, can reduce work intensity, used for wood inlaying and fastening of furniture manufacturing.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. ONEKFYFD Brushless Electric Wireless Nail Gun Stapler Nailer. Latest Brushless 1022J Electric Wireless Nail Gun Stapler Nailer. U-shaped nail woodworking tools for Makita 18V battery.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Yofidra Cordless Electric Nail Gun. Yofidra Cordless Electric Nail Gun for Makita 18V battery woodworking F30 non-stuck nail gun home portable code nail gun. Product features, cordless design, portable and practical. No nails, no nails. The safety lock design makes the use safer. High power motor, 100 nail slot capacity, fast burst, powerful gun, ergonomic design, non-slip handle, wide range of applications, suitable for multi-layer wood boards, ecological boards, density boards, solid wood, etc.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.